Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to install Windows XP using VMware Workstation 12 layer. As you can see, I already installed the Windows XP and there is no need to activate the Windows again. So you can download this on this link. I will post the link on my description, and after you finish download it, you can also write this Windows key. Now it's time to start the new installation. Open your VMware Workstation player and then click create new virtual machines and click browse to the file that you just downloaded from the internet. Mine is in the download folder, and this is the Windows XP that we just downloaded. This is the Service Pack 3. So click open and then click next, and then you can write now or write later. I will type the product key later, so I just click next, then click yes, then click next again, and then click next again, then click finish. Click OK, then click OK until the blue screen is appear. We need to wait. I will pause the video. Now the setup is copying folder. We will wait. I will keep on. I will pause the video and installation already restarted, and now going to GUI mode. I will pause the video. Now it's time to enter the product key. Open the web page that I just told you and try one by one, but you can use the first keys to this product. So type D7 C4 key 47 VGM R7 G6B PPG 85 GPG 93, and then click next. Wait, this is wrong. VP RG G6B and VPG 84. Now it's complete, and then click next, and then we'll continue installing the network. I will pause the video. Okay, now Windows already is finished, restarted for the second time, and now finishing the installation. I will pause the video. Now welcoming screen for the first time. Okay, We will wait and I will post the video first. Okay, this is the wallpaper for the first time. As you can see here, we don't need to update, we don't need to activate, or here we don't need to activate the Windows I use is Windows Service Pack 3 and running on VMware. Okay, there is no need to activate the Windows again. So right now we installing VMware tools. Okay, that's it. This is how you can install Windows XP in 2021, and I will post the link for the ISO file and the link for the product key. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe or comment.